Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today, we will review the best 360-degree cameras of 2024. 360-degree cameras allow you to capture all aspects of your memories and offer the possibility to view them from different angles after shooting. They make for an incredible experience, especially when traveling, sports activities, or creative projects. In our video, we take a detailed look at the Ricoh Theta Z1 Insta360 RS, GoPro Max, Insta360X3, and Insta360X4. We'll explore the features and performance of each camera. You can also find links to all the products we review in the video in the description. If you're ready, let's get started. Our first product is the Ricoh Theta Z1, which is perfect for those looking for top-quality images. The Ricoh Theta Z1 has a big rectangular design with two lenses on the top. At the bottom, there's a shutter button and a small black and white OLED screen that shows your shooting mode, battery life, and remaining storage. On one of its narrow sides, you'll find 4 buttons for power, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, shooting modes, and the timer. This design makes it easy to use without a selfie stick, and it fits comfortably in your pocket. The Theta Z1 uses two 1-inch back-illuminated CMOS sensors, which are larger than those in most other 360 cameras, giving you higher quality images. It can take still images up to 23 MP and shoot videos in 4K resolution at 30 FPS. However, megapixels aren't everything. The Z1's larger sensors help it capture better images, especially in low-light conditions. The Theta Z1 does a great job of reducing wind noise when you're biking, and it also has good video stabilization, though it's not as effective as some cheaper cameras. Since the Theta Z1 runs on an Android-based operating system, third-party developers can create plugins that add extra features to the camera. Currently, there are 42 plugins available, offering features like wireless live streaming and controlling the camera with Alexa. You can even play a bird sound to get an animal's attention and take a photo while it looks directly at the camera. Unlike virtually every other camera I've tested, the Theta Z1 has non-removable storage. The device has about 19 GB of usable storage, but if you fill that up, you'll have to delete files on the camera to keep using it. The Ricoh Theta Z1 is twice as expensive as its competitors, but in some cases, it's worth the price. If quality is your top priority, this is the camera for you. Next up, we have the Insta360 RS, known for its innovative design and versatility. The Insta360 RS features a modular design that can be separated into 3 parts: the camera module, the control module, and the battery. Thanks to this innovative design, you don't need to carry a separate action camera and 360 camera. You can simply switch the camera module to combine both functions into one device. The One RS can be used with 3 different lens modules: a 360-degree lens module, a 3K 1-inch wide-angle lens module, and a 4K boost lens 1/2-inch 48 MP sensor. Both of these lenses are reversible, making it easy to frame your shots using the camera's screen in selfie mode. Swapping components is quite easy, with the modules designed to click together simply. The battery clicks into place effortlessly as well. Compared to the powerful magnet system of the DJI Action 2, it feels more secure. The control module has a small power button and a record button on top. On the side of the control module, there's a small cover protecting the camera's USB-C port and micro SD card slot. This cover is held by a thin plastic tether, which looks like it might break with frequent use. The standard 4K camera from Insta360 can record up to 30 FPS in HDR mode and up to 60 FPS with HDR off. In slow motion mode, it can record at 200 FPS in 1080p and 100 FPS in 7K. The 360 lens can record 7K video at 30 FPS and 3K video at 100 FPS. The real magic of Insta360 lies in its smartphone app, which allows you to edit your footage in very creative ways. The Insta360 RS can last up to 65 minutes while recording video at 3K 30 FPS. If you're looking for a versatile action camera, the Insta360 RS is perfect for you. While you might sacrifice a bit of video quality, it offers the opportunity to use two cameras in one. Our next product is the GoPro Max, which looks like a GoPro Hero 8 turned into a square form with an added camera on the back. With dimensions of 2.5 x 2.7 x 1.6 inches, you'll need to use this camera with a selfie stick. However, this small inconvenience doesn't overshadow the exceptional features the GoPro Max offers. The GoPro Max offers 3 different camera modes: single lens mode, front-facing mode, and 360-degree shooting mode. You can't switch between these modes while shooting, but it's pretty easy to change settings between shots. In Hero mode, there are 4 digital lens options for front and rear shooting: narrow, linear, wide, and the new Max Superview lens, which is 26 degrees wider than the previous Superview lenses. A new Max feature, horizon leveling, keeps the horizon steady while shooting videos. I saw a demo of this feature mounted on a Cheetah, and it was really impressive. The horizon remained steady, even if the camera was shaking. When recording in 360-degree mode, the GoPro Max seamlessly stitches the environment together. You can use the GoPro Max to take photos of everything you see in the viewfinder, but its photography skills really shine with 270-degree panoramic photos taken at 6.2 MP. Additionally, when paired with the GoPro app on your mobile device, the camera mirrors the captured images. The app acts as a remote control when connected to Max's Wi-Fi. You can record videos, take photos, and even start a live stream on Facebook. The GoPro Max combines all the excellent features of the GoPro Hero 8 with notable improvements and 360-degree capabilities. It continues to deliver the brand's renowned video quality, while also impressing with new video settings, additional microphones, and automatic 360-degree mode stitching. Plus, the editing opportunities offered by the accompanying app are fantastic. Overall, it deserves its place among the best GoPro cameras. Next up, we have the Insta360X3, which comes with some exciting upgrades from its predecessor, the One X2. The most obvious is the larger 2.9-inch touchscreen display. And if you think the memory card and battery door is harder to open than normal, that's because the camera has now been waterproofed to a depth of 10mm/33 AT. Below the touchscreen, there are buttons for starting and stopping recordings and a multi-purpose button that lets you switch between using both lenses, just the front lens or just the rear lens. On one of the long sides, you'll find the power button and a quick settings button. On the other side, there are 2 latches that protect the USB-C port and microSD card slot. There's also a standard tripod mount on the bottom of the camera. Inside, the biggest upgrade is the 1/2-inch image sensor. This sensor allows you to capture 72 MP 360-degree photos and 8K 360-degree time-lapse videos. One of the advantages of shooting with a 360 camera is that you can decide how you want to frame your video after you've recorded it. Insta360's app offers a wide range of editing options, which can take some time to learn, but you'll have no shortage of creative features to play with. Battery life has been improved with a new 1800 mAh lithium-ion battery, and Insta360 claims a runtime of 81 minutes. With an excellent image sensor and even better software, the Insta360X3 stands out among the best 360 cameras. It very literally captures everything around you, enabling you to create 3D VR content easily, or use its software-based reframing tools to edit your scenes as regular flat video, where you can track subjects, create panning shots, and basically point the camera where you like after you've shot your video. However, its size and weight can make it a bit bulky to use as an action camera. Now it's time for Insta360X4, which stands out with its enhanced features and flexible use. The Insta360X4 has a design very similar to its predecessor, the X3, but with a few small changes. It features a grooved pattern on the body and a large 2.5-inch touchscreen. The X4's dual-lens design and sturdy build make it ideal for use on a chest mount, handlebars, or selfie sticks. The video performance of the X4 builds on the X3's capabilities, increasing its maximum 360-degree resolution from 7K/30p to 8K/30p, with a 7K/60p option also available. The 8K resolution applies to the 360-degree viewing area, which can be reframed to 7K/30p for 16, 9 or 9/16 for social media. This is a significant improvement over the X3's maximum 1080p resolution. The 360-degree shooting offers cool features like real-time transitions between areas in the shot or the invisible selfie stick mode. This means a single camera can capture both your main footage and B-roll, so you won't need a second camera. The X4 uses a 1/2-inch image sensor and the 5nm chip found in the Insta360 Ace Pro, while the image quality of the Ace Pro is somewhat lowered by average Leica optics. The X4 does not share this fate. Its image quality is excellent. The X4 comes with 4 built-in microphones, which perform surprisingly well for a non-DJI camera. The battery capacity has been significantly increased from 1,800 mAh in the X3 to 2,290 mAh. The X3 lasted over 80 minutes in 7K/30p 360 mode and nearly 90 minutes in my indoor 4K/30p test. Naturally, the Insta360 X4 has taken over the throne from the X3 as the best 360 camera. The benefits and flexibility of 360-degree recording now come without sacrificing resolution when reframing. Yes, 7K is not 4K, but it will look good enough for YouTube videos. The X4 also boasts great stabilization, surprisingly good built-in microphones, and pairs well with Insta360's fantastic smartphone app. Yes, friends, we have reviewed the best 360-degree cameras of 2024 together. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you have any questions or comments, please share them with us below. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can be notified of new videos. See you in the next video. Bye!